Start, Stop. Ramp button. Plus, minus user buttons. Humidifier. Display screen. Connect the DC plug of the power supply unit to the rear of the ReSmart. Connect one end of the air tubing onto the air outlet of the ReSmart. Do not start the machine before the tubing connected. With your mask wearing comfortable and firmly, attach the other end of the tubing into the air inlet of your mask. To start the therapy, all you need is a simply one-touch on Start button. Please check if the humidifier light flashes. If not, click the humidifier button to turn it on. To access the user menu, press and hold Ramp button for 3 seconds on standby. Click on User button, plus or minus, until the heater character is selected. Then click on Ramp button until you see parameter of heater flashes. Next, push User button, plus or minus, to select the heater level you prefer. When you selected, click on Ramp button again, and it's now confirmed. Click on User button, plus or minus, to select the Save interface. Then press Ramp button to save all new settings. The machine will switch back to standby automatically. Do save all the new settings under Save interface, or else no new setting will be effective. Push Ramp button when the machine is on standby. You'll see a readout of your last night's sleep. You'll find parameters for AHI, SNI, complete usage time, P95, mean pressure on your ReSmart screen. Heater can prevent or even reverse some of the symptoms consistent with upper airway drying and mucosal inflammation. Remove the water chamber from the base. Fill distilled or deionized water from the air outlet with no exceed to maximum water mark. Connect one end of the air tubing to the air outlet of water chamber. Attach the other end into the mask. Disinfection and sterilization procedures. Cleaning the air tubing by soaking it in the detergent or rinsing in warm water solution. Rinsing the air tubing with warm drinking quality water is recommended. Allow the component to air dry out of direct sunlight. Reconnect the air tubing to your device after thoroughly air dry out. Please change your ventilation accessories on conditions, for example, tube, mask, etc. Remove the air filter cover and take the filter out. Please rinse the air filter regularly. Replace filter every 6 months. For the disinfection and sterilization, please refer to the instruction of tube and masks. We, BMC, wish you sleep better. Enjoy an easy life.